Good morning, everybody. Today, I want to show you the new feature that has been added in Laravel 8.2, which is read-only class. But the read-only class, looks like the continuation of read-only property that was introduced in the Laravel 8.1. So let's get started. First, I want to show you how read-only property work in both PHP 8.1 and PHP 8.2. So I have class here, user class, and I define the read-only property UID, and I assign the read-only it to the value of construct class construct. So and here I initialized my class and pass for 42 as the construct value. So if I come again here, as you know, the read-only class is the read-only property. The read-only property is the property that once has been initialized, it cannot be changed further. So let's try to change it and see what error we will get. So let's say it is now 47. So let's run my class here. So as you can see, it will return cannot modify read-only property user UID in both PHP 8.2 and PHP 8.1. So let's introduce the read-only class. So read-only class, it is the class that is the class in which all of its property are read-only property. So if I define my class here, which is if I define my class here as read-only class, all of its property will be assumed as the read-only property. So I don't need anymore to put this read-only keyword here in my property. So I just removed it and put it. So even if I have more than this property, I don't need anymore. I don't require anymore to add add that keyword. So because I have defined it, I have already defined it. I have already defined my class as the read-only class. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at what the output will be for both PHP 8.2 and PHP 8.1. So let's run my code here. In PHP 8.2, it returns with that cannot modify read-only property, as you can see. And in PHP 8.1, it says that syntax error unexpected token read only, which means that this feature read-only class it does not exist in the PHP 8.1. So let me remove this. So I don't now I have removed that assignment to that assignment that change the UID initial value. So I will not I will denote expected the error in the PHP 8.2, but I will expect I will expect the error in PHP 8.1. So let's see this. After run this, because PHP 8.2 allow the read-only class, it does not return an error. But in the PHP 8.1, because doesn't has this read-only class feature, it returns syntax error unexpected token read-only, which means that it doesn't recognize uh, this class. So that is all about read-only class in PHP 8.2. Thank you for listening.